Hello everyone! I'm back with another video. Happy Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah 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 blah. Whenever I decide to post this, hey, hello, what is up? I know some of the OGs have been waiting for that intro. I haven't said it in a while because a lot of my past few videos have been vlogs, but hello, welcome to my video about me sewing a dress for the Laufey concert. If this is your first time coming to my channel, let me introduce myself real quick. Hello, my name is Lara. I have been making YouTube videos now on and off, mostly off, for the past 4 years, and I recently graduated college, so I'm trying to dive back into making more videos. But as of recently, a lot of my videos have been little cutie girl vlogs, and don't get me wrong, I love the cutie girl vlogs, but I remember when I first started making YouTube videos, some of my favorite videos to film at the time were sewing videos. And I remember one of my favorite videos that I made was a dress tutorial for a dress that I made that was inspired by Katara from Avatar: The Last Airbender. That dress holds a very special place in my heart. But I figured I would start off this video with a quick little explanation for my inspiration for this dress. So for starters, I am a huge, not this huge, but this huge, even bigger fan of Laufey. I love her so much. She is one of my all-time favorite artists, and one of the things I really do love about her is her incredibly unique sound. She pulls inspiration from so many different genres of music such as jazz, bossa nova, classical music to create this unique and beautiful, dreamy almost sound and vibe with her music. I also think she is such an incredibly talented vocalist. I love the sound of her voice because it sounds like she sings quite low, but her voice, like, it sounds like very whole and there's like a lot of soul to it. And so I just really love that. Her album Bewitched, amazing. Another thing I absolutely love about Laufey is her style and the aesthetic that she's built around herself. I love how she pulls from like current fashion trends and then like kind of mixes it in a way with like jazzy vintage fashion to create this like unique look and unique aesthetic. And I think it's really cool. I think it's really beautiful. I love all of her outfits that she puts out. They're so cutie girl. With that being said about my love for Laufey and my love for sewing, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to sew an outfit for this concert. Also too, because one of my favorite things about the concert experience is picking out like an outfit that matches the artist's aesthetic and that matches the artist's style. And then not only picking out an outfit that like, you know, you're like super excited about, but then going to the concert and then seeing what other people have on and what other people are wearing. I personally just think that it's so much fun to see what the girly goos are wearing. And side note, for the Laufey concert, the girls, that was a concert for the girls and the girls only, and I kept saying that in my Laufey concert vlog, and I mean it because it was really like, it was only cutie girls at that motherfucking concert, okay? The amount of bows I saw in people's hairs, okay? The amount of girly goos I saw wearing ballet flats or loafers. No other in between for the shoes, by the way, in the best way possible. And also the number of cutie girl dresses that I saw, such an amazing, wholesome vibe that I just loved. I literally ate that up. But regardless, with that being said, going into this project, I was mainly thinking about two things. The first thing was I really wanted the dress that I ended up sewing to fit Laufey's aesthetic very well, almost like a balancing act, kind of make a dress that I personally really like and that I will wear for multiple events after. My biggest inspiration for the dress was this look from Laufey. I looked through Etsy and I found this one specific pattern from Kiana Bonollo. I hope I am pronouncing her name correctly. She had this dress pattern right here, and when I was like kind of like scrolling through the little models and makes of the dress, I saw this picture. And when I saw this picture of like this variation of the dress pattern, I knew right then and there I wanted to do that exact same thing, but like Laufeyify it. if that's possible. I'm just gonna like take a moment to right now to give Kiana Bonollo a shout out. She's on Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube, and she makes such incredibly straightforward, comprehensive YouTube tutorials for her patterns. And also, to beyond that, her pattern was so incredibly easy to follow. I'm gonna say this right here, right now. This is not my pattern. I am following Kiana Bonolo's pattern, okay? And I'm saying this as a fan. She's awesome and super cool, and I'm following her pattern. If you are interested in making this dress, 12 out of 10 would recommend, like, please go check out her video. Hello, lovely people. How are y'all doing today? I personally am stressed, overwhelmed, and a little frazzled. All of those reasons why I'm feeling those things are completely my fault. So I'm gonna just catch y'all up about what's going on right now. It is currently Saturday, April 21st. I have the Laufey concert this coming Thursday, April 25th. Needless to say, I'm giving myself like literally 4-5 days to sew this. I haven't started sewing. I just got the materials for it, and I just cut out the pattern. So yeah, that's a little tidbit as to why I'm so stressed out, but I also can't even complain because this is 110% completely my fault. But I wanted to show off some of the materials I got because I'm actually really excited about it. So yeah, let me show y'all what we got. And then I'm going to stop being avoidant and actually get started on this dress. All right, so I did a little unboxing of like my special fabric, which I'm so excited about. It is this like baby pink tulle with these like velvet hearts on it. This was like the base, like the highlight, the star of the show of the dress is gonna be this fabric. When I went back to the fabric store, I just pretty much bought everything that kind of coordinated with this baby pink color. For starters, I got some lining fabric. It's like pretty much a perfect color match with the pink heart tulle, which I'm really excited about. The reason why I'm nervous about this project is because it's actually a really advanced project. Not only will I be having to use an invisible zipper, but I'm also going to have to use bias tape. I've never made something with bias tape before, so I'm gonna have to use bias tape. I got all of that. I have all of our materials. Let's get started with sewing. I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous. You know what they say though? Pressure makes diamonds. I really also like started this project with, you know, the same energy of like, and what gave you the confidence to do this? Delusion. I am running on nothing but delusion. The stakes are high, the pressure's on, and the delusion couldn't be higher. Let's get this started, okay? Hi vlog! I have a special guest! We have Miss Kiana Bonollo!
It's been a while.
It has been a while. If you missed her, she was in my January vlog. Kiana Bonollo, give the dressmaking video an update. How are you?
I am doing great. Lots of work, lots of reports. Been, you know, drilling a lot.
Very much.
Yep.
She's literally
Honestly,
being a computer girl.
Like, what is a computer? I don't really know, but, you know, you're gonna find out.
I've been giving Kiana all of the dress updates about how everything is doing so that she can hold me accountable.
That's what I'm here for.
Yeah. It's a tough look. It's a tough look.
Illusions, though. That's really what I do.
Yeah, I literally was like, Kiana, girl, I haven't cut the pattern yet. And she's like, you're almost there. Like, you got it. I'm like, Kiana, girl, I just started cutting the fabric.
She already had the plan, though. So it was perfect.
The plan was to be finished by now. And alas, here we are.
Still possible, though.
Still possible. Mm-hmm. You're right about that. All right, Kiana, we're gonna get started. Back on the dress. everyone. My allergies are really killing me right now, but this is day 2 of making the dress. We are officially behind schedule. Woo! Yeah. I started my classes up again today because it's Monday, and you know what? I'm gonna continue to say it. Pressure makes diamonds. I will show you guys the pieces that I've worked on last night. I feel like me telling y'all that I worked for like almost 6 hours last night sewing what I did and actually showing y'all the progress, it's not gonna look like a lot, but trust that I'm still really proud of myself. So last night I finished the 2 pieces for the top. So this is the lining piece for the top. One thing I'm actually so excited about that I like made it a point to do for this project was finishing the edges, like the raw edges for this, but I made the top part of the dress with like, this is like the actual like lining fabrics, but I'm so excited because the color match is so perfect. And then when you flip it on the inside, there's that very nice raw edge. But I just did a zigzag stitch with like really small stitch length, very wide width to like get those edges nice and clean. But this is the top. Boom. This is what she's looking like right now. So far this style is gonna be like kind of a scoop neck, and she fits like a glove, which I'm so excited about. So I finished the pieces for the top last night, and then what I'm doing is the panel for like the waist, if you will, and it is with just the heart see-through fabric. So it's gonna be a little scandy. Yeah, now I'm gonna get started on the skirt. And yeah, it's time to get to work. Boom. Once you know the headphones are on, that's how you know that real work is getting done. The Asian squat is coming out. Hello, beautiful girly goos. What the flip is up? I'm back to finish off this video because basically at that point in filming me sewing this dress, I was stressed the fuck out because at that point it was fight or flight, and I was struggling just to make sure I got that dress finished in time for the concert. And you know what? That was my burden to bear if it wasn't for the consequences of my own actions. But pretty much where I left off was I just sewed the ruffles onto the skirt and like literally copy and pasted, followed what Miss Kiana Bonollo said in her tutorial, where I just literally sewed all of the pieces together on the dress and boom, I have dress. So yeah, this is what the final product of my dress looked like. Oh my gosh, wow. She looks so cool. Look at that dress. Look at her. Okay, I'm gonna stop adding weird commentary and probably just do a little cutie girl picture montage. And also, if you are interested in seeing more cutie girl pictures of the dress, please go check them out on my Instagram. I will be posting more pictures of that on there. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you for sticking around. Please get excited for more different types of videos to come. Mwah. A cutie girl Laufey kiss for you. And yeah, bye everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.